Yeah, buddy. A little bitty dink. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's what I call a choke job right there. Straight choked it. Nice aggressive little one. Oh, a little too aggressive. Golly. Yeah. Calm down, bud. I'll get you back in the water. Oh, he absolutely choked it too. My gosh. Little guys are extra aggressive over here. Oh my gosh. I thought he was dead set. Unbelievable that he came off. That's probably the biggest blow up of the day. Golly, that was nice. May have been a little too early. I don't know what it is about. Oh, just about to, oh. I was just about to say that I don't know what it is about me going back in the spots after I got blown up on and the fish not biting, and then I get blown up on back to back and miss back to back and tear my frog up, or my spider up again. Golly. These spiders get freaking hammered, slammed. I just got this new one because the other one was hit so hard that it just disintegrated. And this one is already getting beat up. Boy. But they love it though. They love it. Let's see. Third time's the charm. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm getting slammed and I'm missing these suckers. Come on, 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 come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is a bucket right there. That is an absolute bucket. Yes, sir. That bad boy came right out of the slop and just hammered it. Look at that. Oh, man. And wouldn't you know it, I put my scale in the truck to lighten my load. Get you zeroed out. I'm gonna say close to 4. $3.10. I knew it was going to be close to 4. That's a good fish right there. That is an awesome fish. The true girth of this fish, almost 4-pounder. Whoa. Look at this.